Now, yesterday we have started with the universal indicators. Universal indicator is the indicator, acid-base indicator, which tells us the different strengths of the acids and bases. By knowing the pH values or the pH scale, pH paper, we can determine the strength of the acid. Now, what do you mean by strength of the acid? Anyone? What is the strength of the acid means?
The ability of the acid to react with metals or any other substance.
Yeah, those vigorous chemical reactions as well as, yeah, that is right. And one more thing, that depends on the number of H plus ions. It is completely dependent on the number of H plus ions. Any solution which has more number of H plus ions, that strength of that acid is considered as is more strength. That acid has more strength. So that means the H plus ion concentration is very, very important. So counting the amount of H plus ions, instead of counting the number of H plus ions, we generally find out the percentage of that H plus ions in given volume. Actually, this concentration matters. Strength depends on the concentration as well. So that means here, what is the strength of the acid means the amount of H plus ions. H plus ions. Now, instead of finding out the number of H plus ions, if we can calculate the H plus ion concentration, that can be represented in terms of H plus ion concentration. So H plus ions, now two solutions have A and B, suppose. It has a H plus ion concentration. So H plus ion concentration in solution A and B. Suppose this concentration is 10%. Concentration, do you remember the concentration part? What do you mean by concentration? What do you mean by concentration?
Percentage of a solute in a solution.
Yes, it's the total percentage of a solute in a solution is called as concentration. That is percentage, that is amount of solute by amount of solution into 100. So this way we are finding the percentages, percentage concentration. So this is percentage concentration. Suppose solution A and B both are acidic solutions. It has 10% H plus ion concentration is there, and it has 60% of H plus ion concentration is present. Now in this one, can you tell the which one is a more acidic, which shows a more acidic properties, or
B.
strength of acid
A.
is more?
B. A. B.
A, B, what is going on?
No, ma'am, it will be B. It's B, mom.
It's B, because the acidic properties are depends on the definition itself tells it, that is acid shows acidic properties due to presence of
H plus
H
ions.
plus ions.
H plus ions. So now if any solution has more number of H plus ions, that means that solution is
Strong solution.
it's a
Strong.
more
More
acidic,
acidic.
stronger acid, more acidic solution. It is a more acidic. The strength of that acid will be more. And which one has lesser number of H plus ion concentration, that will be the weak acid. The strength is lesser. It's clear. Now, another thing you need to know, that is this H plus ion concentration only expressed in simple way in terms of pH value. So pH value is actually the expression potential of high power of hydrogen. Hydrogen ion concentration, instead of percentage, hydrogen ion concentration is expressed in terms of amount of H plus ion divided by amount of solution. That is the aqueous solution of what? That acid. Not 100. Don't multiply with 100. When you, this part is represented always in the form 10 to the power minus n. This value, whenever they have calculated this value, they got that the approximately H plus ion concentration is represented in terms of 10 to the power n. N can be any number. N is any number, positive number actually. It is a magnitude. So that means H plus ion concentration in any substance, if it is 10 to the power minus 1, it is represented this many mole per liter. So these many hydrogen ions are present in 1 liter of solution. H plus ion concentration is represented in this form, 10 to the power minus 1, or it is 10 to the power minus 3 moles per liter. In 1 liter of the solution, acidic solution, these many moles of H plus ions are present in that solution. So H plus ion concentration, this is a representation of H plus ion concentration in any solution, any aqueous solutions. Now, what is pH now? From this one, how to find out the pH value? So this one, why H plus is needed? Because H plus H plus ion decides the acidic properties. And this one, H plus ions are present in bases as well. I think so. That part I told you earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All the aqueous solutions have both H plus and OH minus ions, but the solution in which more H plus ions are present, that is acidic solutions, and the solution in which less H plus ions and more OH minus ions are there, so that is the basic solutions. Okay. So now that means H plus ion concentration is there in all the types of aqueous solutions. Aqueous solutions, I'm telling, not the molten solutions. Aqueous solutions. That is the solution, that is a substance solute when dissolved in water. The water is a solvent. Then that type of a solutions we call as aqueous solutions. Okay. Now H plus ions are present in both of them, both the solutions, all the types of solutions, whether it is neutral solution, acidic solution, or basic solution. Everyone has H plus ion concentration. So H plus ions are present. So therefore we are considering H plus ion as a basic for determining the strength of acid and base. So therefore the word pH, power of hydrogen. So every solution's hydrogen ion concentration is found out, and depending on the H plus ions, we will get to know which one has more H plus ions and which one has lesser H plus ions. According to that, we can find out the strength of acid, base, or a neutral solutions. So therefore is the word pH. pH is actually a Latin word. It is potens of hydrogen, or it is in simple words, in Indian words, Indian languages, it is already considered as power of hydrogen ion. So how many H plus ions are there? That is a H plus ion concentration. It is represented into the power 10 to the power minus n moles per liter. So this value of n, this magnitude n, is the value of pH. pH value is equal to that magnitude. This is only for representation purpose and understanding purpose. So when H plus ion concentration is represented in the number form, so you will get it is in the range of 10 to the power negative power. That means the percentage of 1 by 1000, 1 by 1 lakh, 1 by 1 million, like that values are there. So that is represented in terms of exponential form. In that exponential form, when you will see that is n value, that's a 10 to the power, any value is there, negative value. So that magnitude, we are not considering the minus value, we are only considering the n value, magnitude. So that value is considered as a pH value. Is that clear? What do you mean by pH?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So H plus ion concentration of all aqueous solutions are represented in the form of moles per liter, and that value comes accordingly. This is 10 to the power minus any number. That means it is 10 to the power minus 1 means what? What do you mean by 10 to the power minus 1? H plus ion concentration.
1 by
H plus ion concentration is always represented into the power 10 to the negative power, 10 to the power minus 1, or it can be written 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter, or it can be 10 to the power minus 12 moles per liter. Moles, now you know what do you mean by mole. So when it is represented, so 1 by 10 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 10. 1 out of 10. So 1 out of 10 moles of a solution, only one part is the H plus ion. 10 to the power minus 2 means 1
1
by
by 100.
10 to the power minus 12 means 1 by 10 to the power 12. That means on 1, 12 zeros are there. So that was this is the way of representing any H plus ion concentration. Now this number which is present in the power, so that number is considered as a pH value. So if any solution has H plus ion concentration as 10 to the power minus 1 mole per liter, then what is the value of pH?
1.
1. 10 to the power minus 2. Then
pH will be 2.
pH value will be 2. Anyone has a 10 to the power minus 12 mole per liter?
pH is equal to 12.
The value of pH will be 12. Okay. Now clear what is actually pH means? Is this clear? What do you mean by pH?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, according to the pH value, how to find out whether the solution is acidic, or how to find out the strength of the acid base, whether it is an acidic or so basic solution, and whether it is a strong acid or weak acid. How to find out that? We know that is you got to know that is a acid and base. What is the difference between H plus ions? H plus ions of acid and H plus ions of base. What is the difference?
H plus ion of acid is more.
H plus ions of acid is more than OH minus
Base
ions.
is less.
And then pH value, or this one, H plus ion concentration of base is least one. Okay. Now exactly how much least? So it is for that you need to know the ionic constant. When water is taken, water has both H plus and OH minus ions. So water has a normal water, a distilled water has equal number of H plus and OH minus ions. And how much is that? It is equal to 10 to power minus 7 and 10 to power minus 7 moles per liter. So H plus ions are 10 to the power minus 7 and minimum is 10 to the power minus, so OH minus value is also 10 to the power minus 7. So how many total ions can, total concentration is possible? Total concentration. Now both of them are equal value in this water. So that means if it is H plus ions in acid, H plus ions are more in number. So that means how much more means? Since both of them together, how much moles per liter are present? If H plus ions are 10 to the power minus 7 moles are present, and at the same time in the same amount of water, how many moles of OH minus ions are present?
10 to the power 0.
How many OH minus ions are present, I'm asking?
Okay, 10 to the power minus 7.
Minus 7 and minus 7. So these are the equal values, right? Now, when you include both of them together, so how much is the total moles are present in the solution?
10 to the power minus 14.
Yeah, 10 to the power minus 14. Number of moles are there. So total ions are 10 to the power minus 14 moles are present in the water. Total ions, all the total number of ions are present in this one. So that means the maximum value of any. So maximum, if that solution has maximum number of H plus ions, then how much is the value possible? This is somewhat confusing in terms of exponential form, you have to learn it. So 10 to the power minus 14 is a maximum number of H plus and OH minus, both are present. And the minimum one, that means the total value. So it is a, if you check out, 7 is constant. So if in acids, H plus ions are more. So H plus ions are more means how much more it can go? Okay, fine, leave it. That's what it's confusing.
14 minus 7.
So here the range of any ions, H plus and OH minus ions, range of H plus and OH minus ions present in any aqueous solution are from 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power minus 14.
14.
So it is from 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power 14. So these are the maximum allowable moles per liter of H plus and OH minus. So these are the range. Beyond 10 to the power minus 14 you won't get, or more than 10 to the power 0 you won't get. Is this part clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain it again?
Here water, which is a neutral, it has equal number of H plus and OH minus ions. So that means 10 to the power minus 7 H plus and 10 to the power minus 7 OH minus are present. That means altogether there is, if there are only H plus ions are present or very negligible OH minus ions are present, the maximum value will range from 10 to the power 0. 10 to the power 0 is the maximum value and 10 to the power minus 14 is the minimum value. 10 to the power minus 14 moles per liter. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the range of the concentrations. So this is the range of one of the ion, that means either H plus ions or either OH minus ions. So we are concerning only for H plus ions. Okay, how many H plus ions are present? So the solutions have H plus ion range is from 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power minus 14. H plus ion concentration. Ranges from 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power minus 14 mole per liter. Okay. Now, if I will write all the numbers, now tell me in which one is the more value and in which one is the lesser value. If the range is from 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, and minus 14. Okay. Now tell me in 10 to the power 0 and 10 to the power minus 1 when we compare, this is H plus ions, the possibility of H plus ions in any solutions. So these are the possibilities of H plus ion concentration in any solution. If it is 10 to the power 0, one solution has 10 to the power 0 and one solution has 10 to the power minus 1. Which one has more number of H plus ions?
10 to the power 0.
Here negative powers, that means as the exponent increases, the value goes on decreasing. So 10 to the power 0 has more number of H plus ions. 10 to the power 0 means 1 by 10. Sorry, 1 by 1. 10 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 10. So which value is greater? 1 by 1 is greater than 1 by 10. Now 10 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 100. So which value is greater? This one or this one?
1 by 10.
1 by 10 is greater. Now here 1 by 10 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 1000. So that means this is greater. Is this right?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
I write like this? Can I write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in this one, 10 to the power 0 and 10 to the power minus 1. Which one has more number of H plus ions? 10 to the power
10 to the
0.
power 0.
So 10 to the power 0. That means here which one is more acidic?
10
10 to the power 0 or minus 1 is acidic?
10 to the power
10 to the
0.
power 0.
10 to the power 0 is more acidic than 10 to the power minus 1. Now, if you compare in these two, then which one has more number of H plus ion concentration? Sorry,
10 to the
acidic.
power minus 1.
10 to the power minus 1.
10 to the power minus 1 has a more number of H plus ions. That means that solution is more acidic.
Yes, ma'am.
Then in between these two, if you compare, then
10 to the power
minus
minus 2.
10 to the power minus 2 has more. So that means out of these four, now tell me which one is most acidic.
10 to the
10 to
power
power
0.
0.
10 to the power 0 is most acidic. So this is most acidic. Now this is, now here what is happening? So 10 to the power minus 3 is greater than 10 to the power minus 4. 10 to the power minus 4 is greater than 10 to the power minus 5. 10 to the power minus 5 is greater than 10 to the power minus 6. This is, so that means here the concentration, H plus ion concentration is goes on decreasing. So H plus ion concentration here, it is goes on increasing. And here 10 to the power minus 7, if any solution has 10 to the power minus 7 concentration of H plus ion, so how many OH minus ions are present?
10 to
7.
power minus 7.
So both are equal, H and OH minus. In that solution, H and OH minus are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means that solution will be
Neutral.
neutral solution. Clear? Now here, if you see on left hand side, so 10 to the power minus 6 to 10 to power minus 0, if 10 to power 0 if you consider. So here the H plus ion concentration is goes on decreasing from 10 to power 0 to minus 6.
Yes, ma'am.
But in this side, H plus ion, and if you find out the OH minus ions, which one is greater? If any solution has 10 to the power 0, that means how many this one is present? OH minus ions?
14
10 to the power minus 14.
minus 14.
So which one is greater? 10 to the power 0 is greater or 10 to the power minus 14 is greater?
10 to power 0.
0 is greater. That means H plus ions are greater than 10 to OH minus ions.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
That means this solution is acidic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
this case, if 10 to the power minus 1 is present, acids are present, H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 1. What is base is, OH minus ion concentration?
10 to the power
Minus
minus
10 to power
13.
minus 13.
Which one is greater?
10 to power
Minus
minus
1.
1.
That means this is acidic solution.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This one then, if you compare, keep comparing
10
this
to
one.
power
As
minus
acidic.
12.
Minus
So it
12.
will be acid.
This is minus 12. That means this is
12
greater.
degree.
This is greater. So that means these are all the solutions in all these cases. H plus in all these cases on left hand side, whatever the H plus ion concentration is present, so those are all more than their respective OH minus ion solutions concentrations.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means all these are whose
Acidic.
value H plus
Acidic.
ion. So these are all acidic in nature. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now see this side. This is any solution has 10 to the power 8 minus 8 is H plus ion. How many OH minus ions are present?
10 to the power minus 6.
10 to the power minus 6 OH minus ions, and these are H plus ions. Which one is greater? Minus 8 is greater or minus 6 is greater?
Minus 6.
Minus 6 is greater. That means here OH minus ion is greater more than the H plus ions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means this solution is
Basic.
Basic.
basic. 10 to the power minus 10. How many OH minus ions are present?
10 to power minus 4.
10 to the power minus 4. So which is greater, minus 10 or minus 4?
Minus 4.
That means this solution is
Basic.
basic. 10 to the power minus 14. H plus ions are present. So how many OH minus ions are present?
10 to
10
the
to
power
power
0.
0.
Which one is greater?
10
10
to
to the
power
power
0.
0.
So OH is greater.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So that means this is
Basic.
Basic.
basic solution. That means in this, if you full take a scale, in that 10 to the power minus 7 concentration any solution has, that solution is a neutral solution, because in this case H plus ion concentration and OH minus ion concentrations are equal. Then when you move this side, left hand side, when the concentration is increases from 10 to power minus 6 to 10 to power 0, so in these cases H plus ion concentration is greater than OH minus ion concentration. So therefore these solutions are acidic in nature. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And in this case what happens? H plus ion concentration are lesser than OH minus ion concentration. So therefore these solutions are
Basic. Basic.
Basic in nature. So that means on a strip, on a ray scale, what you got? Whenever H plus ion concentration is 10 to power minus 7, that means it is a neutral solution. If the H plus ion concentration is more than 10 to power minus 7, concentration I'm telling about, concentration of the H plus ions is more than 10 to power minus 7, that means the values from 10 to power minus 6 to 10 to power 0, then all those are the acidic solutions. And whatever this one, in the right hand side, H plus ion concentration goes on decreasing, and OH minus ion concentration goes on increasing. So in this cases, on the all the solutions whose H plus ion concentration is from minus 10 to power minus 8 to 10 to power minus 14 has more number of OH minus ions as compared to H plus ions. So therefore, these solutions are basic in nature. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is this clear or need to explain again?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Yeah. Which exactly part can you tell me? Where till which
The
part you
base,
understood?
As I understood the acid, but I'm confused with base.
Which one is greater? You check the numbers. Negative numbers are there, so that because of that might be it is a confusing. Always remember that is a negative power. The lesser the power value, magnitude is lesser, the number will be greater. Now compare here. 10 to power minus 8, and it has 10 to power, this is these many H plus ions and these many OH minus ions. Which value is greater? 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one and this one. Which one is greater?
10 to power minus 6.
This is greater. That means OH minus ions are more in number than H plus ions.
Yes, ma'am.
In this solution, there are OH minus ions are greater than the H plus ions.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means this solution is
Basic.
basic in nature.
Okay, ma'am. I got it. I was confused with the numbers. I got it now.
And numbers is confusing somewhat.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so remember negative numbers. Magnitude lesser, negative value, but magnitude lesser is a larger number.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so is that clear, the concentration part? From the concentration, how to find out whether it is acidic or basic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
we got to know that is the concentrations. We got the concentration as 10 to power minus 7 is a neutral one. Now, if it is decreases, actually it is decreasing, 10 to power minus 7 to 10 to power minus 14. The H plus ion decreasing. H plus ion concentration is decreasing. That means here OH minus is increasing. If H plus is decreasing, that means what is the other one? OH minus is increasing. OH minus increasing concentration. If it is OH minus increases, that means this area is of basic solutions. And here, what is happening here? H plus ion concentration is increasing. And OH minus are decreasing. So in such cases, now H plus ions are more than OH minus ions. So this area is of acidic substances. So all the acidic substances, H plus ion concentration is more than 10 to power minus 6. And it will range till 10 to power 0 only. It won't go beyond 10 to power 0. That is 1. It won't go beyond 1. And here it is, H plus ion concentration is decreasing and it will go till only 10 to power minus 14. It won't go beyond that. Now here, now among the acid, can you check out now which one is more acidic and which one is lesser acidic? Now you have to range from acid, only check about the acidic part. So here, out of 10 to power 0 and 10 to power minus 6, which one is greater?
10 to the power
10 to the power 0.
10 to the power 0 is greater, that means that is more acidic than 10 to power minus 6. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here 10 to power minus 2 and 10 to power minus 4, if you compare, which one is more acidic?
10 to power minus
10 to
2.
power
10 to power minus 2 is there. That means here acidity is increasing from slowly it is goes on increasing by 10 times. 10 to power minus 6 to 10 to power minus 5. What is the difference? It is 10 time difference. So it is when you are moving on left hand side, the acidic strength is goes on increasing because H plus ion concentration is goes on increasing by 10 folds, 10 times. So therefore it is goes on increasing. So at the more this one maximum left hand side, so leftmost position, whatever the solution is present, that is most acidic solution because it has maximum number of H plus ion concentration. So therefore whichever has the 10 to power 0 or 10 to power minus 1, these are mostly acidic, the maximum acidic substance, most acidic substances. Now, as you move towards right hand side, the acidic strength goes on decreasing as H plus ion concentration goes on decreasing. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore, the leftmost portion, the substances are most acidic. Then in the middle, if you come, they have the lesser number of H plus ion concentration. So those we consider as, we have divided into 3 parts. This is mild acidic substances. And this one, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 range is there that we consider as a weak acid because they are acids, but strength is lesser. So they have very least acidic substances. They show acidic properties, but they are least acidic properties, weak acid. Therefore, we call them as weak acids. Is that clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come to the right hand side. Start from 10 to power minus 8 to 10 to power minus 14. So 10 to power minus 8 is a H plus ion concentration is more. But what about OH minus ions? This is 10 to power minus 6, 10 to power minus 7, it is 5, minus 4, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and 0. Now in this case, which one is OH minus? This we know, that is by knowing the H plus ion concentration, we got to know that these are basic substances. Now among basic, we have to divide them again into strong base, weak base and mild bases. Now we know that is here the OH minus ion concentration goes on increasing like this way. This is OH minus ion concentration. So it is goes on increasing like this. 10 to the power minus 6 is a lesser one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The least one. So these are the least basic substances. So this side, this place is the least basic substances. Now basicity keep on increasing as we move from left to right because OH minus ion concentration goes on increasing. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 3 students are telling. What about others? Are you able to understand?
Ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Somewhat confusing, I can understand. That is somewhat confusing is there. Much more the numbers we are playing with. And those are also negative numbers. Exponents, and those are negative exponents. Okay. So now here, in this case, H plus ion concentration is goes on decreasing. That we got to know. Now we have to consider about the bases. So therefore, these sites, every solution is a basic solution that we got to know. Now we have to find out the strength. Which one is a more stronger and which one is a weaker acid, so base, that we have to find out. Now for that, it is easy for you to understand by the OH minus ion concentration. So therefore, I have written OH minus ion concentration. So here, OH minus ion concentration for these solutions are ranging from 10 to power minus 6 to 10 to power 0. As the negative number is there, it goes on decreasing. That means the strength goes on increasing. Minus 5 is greater than minus 6. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Minus 3 is greater than minus 4. Minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. And 0 is greater than among all of them. So that means this solution has maximum number of OH minus ion concentration. 10 to the
Yes,
power
ma'am.
0 concentration solution has maximum number of OH minus ion concentration.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means that is
Yes,
most
ma'am.
basic substance. So this solution is a most basic. Is it clear?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
here
Yes, ma'am.
basicity. So here it is for these three ranges we consider as a weak because these are very least number of OH minus ions. Now among these two we will consider -4, 3, -3, -2 we can consider as a mild base. And from -1 and -0, so those we consider as the most basic substances. Is that clear, the strength consideration?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now if you write on a scale, proper scale, if you write it now, this is 10 to the power -7, which is neutral solution. Here, these are all acidic solution. And the arrow shows the increase in strength. And this side all basic solutions. And arrow shows the strength, increment in strength. So at this position, so these, whatever the values these are, so those are here. Initially, these are weak acids. Then after that will come our the mild acids. And then at the end here we will get most acids, most acidic. And this side near to 10 to power -7, it is weak base. Then here we will get mild base. The middle one we will get mild base. And then at the rightmost it is a most basic.
Basic.
So this is the pH scale. And now pH values. Now you got to know the concentration. Now the pH values. So what is the pH values we are writing? If any H plus ion concentration is represented in terms of 10 to the power -n, then the value of n is called as pH. So 10 to power -7, what is the pH value?
7.
7. So pH value is 7. Now here it is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Right? And this side it is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now is it clear pH scale?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is, instead of the numbers, we don't always remember the numbers. So therefore it is represented in terms of this color strip. Is it clear now? The color strip?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for those all different color strengths, we will get the different colors. So for the neutral substances in which H plus ions and OH minus ions, we get the color green. Now here the color green goes on decreasing, then it will get converted into yellow, yellow to orange, orange to red. So red color pH paper, if you get it, that means it is a most acidic substance. Now the color somewhat decreases and then turn to orange color. So that orange color, orange shades are for mild acids. Yellow shades is for weak acids. Yellow, greenish yellow shades are for weak acids. Now the light blue, green to greenish blue, very weak base, weakest base, weak base, mild base. It is somewhat stronger base, more milder base, then stronger, stronger, strongest. So purple color, this is a proper shade of the pH. Now clear? Scale?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is that clear or need to explain again?
It's clear, ma'am.
Others? Rohit, both the Rohits, Dikshita, Manisha, Rishika. Okay, I have explained in terms of concentration. In your textbook, it is not given according to concentration. But how I will explain you that is below 7, why? Now students generally ask me, why below 7 is acidic? Why above 7 is basic? So for that reason, I've told you that is the thing. Now is that from that concentration part, is that clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
According to concentration, now it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
It's completely done now, because
ma'am.
11th, 12th, you are learning the finding the values of pH. There are numericals based on pH values. There are the numericals in logarithm wise. You have the pH values, pH calculations, H plus ion concentrations you have to do. For that, you need to know the logs. Logs right now you don't have, so therefore it is removed from your syllabus. Actually, it was there earlier. Now it is removed. It is they have taken it for the class 12th. You have 11th and 12th. You have the concentrations. It's clear now. So here some of the examples have been given for which one is acidic, most acidic, weak acidic. So according to that, we have to check out the pH value. Knowing is very, very important. Many diseases can be diagnosed, or many discomfort in the body can be diagnosed by knowing the value of pH. Or any purity of the solution can be tested with the help of knowing the pH values. So pH values are important to know. There are many practical applications are there. Few of them you have to learn this chapter also. So now here you can see the stronger ones. The strongest one, HCl, concentrated HCl is a strongest acid. After that, H2SO4 will come, and after that, nitric acid will come. So the most strongest acid is a HCl, concentrated concentrated hydrochloric acid is the strongest one. And the strongest base is a sodium hydroxide, is the strongest one. All others lie in between that. So you can see the battery acid, battery acid has a value, HCl is present, so which has a value 0. Stomach acid HCl of the stomach, that is, it depends on the concentration also. It has a value 1. Stomach acid in the value 1. Then lemon will come in the 2. Second one. So lemon is also somewhat acidic, strong, more mild acid we can consider it as, but it is a stronger. Even in that range, acetic acid, vinegar also will come in that one. But vinegar is a weaker one as we have diluted it. But the pure acetic acid has the value 2, 2.4 to 3.4 it is. Then soda is the pH value 3. So it is also acid, mild acid. It is not weaker acid, it is mild acid. Tomato, coffee, milk will come under the acidic portions. So tomato is more stronger, means more has a more strength of acid than the coffee one, and coffee has a more acidic properties than the milk one. Okay, then water, distilled water will come in a 7 value. Even salt solution, common salt solution, NaCl plus water, that solution will have the pH value 7. It is neutral. Now our human blood has a pH value 7.5, which will come under mild basic. It's approximately neutral only, it is considered. But if there is any change, if that value changes from 7.5, it will move here or there. That means some disorder, some problem is there. The doctors will generally diagnose by knowing the pH values also. Egg white, that is egg albumin. Egg albumin is a basic in nature. Then ammonia solutions, or stomach tablets. It's not stomach tablet, as acidity tablets. Antacids, we call it as antacids. Antacids, that is the tablets we are using, the solutions we are using it to neutralize the stomach acid. That is called as antacids. Those have the pH value 10. Baking soda will come in that range. Baking soda, that is, we use soda at our home. That is baking soda, whose value is pH values approx 10 value. Then ammonia solutions, all the ammoniacal solutions are pH value 11. Those are basic in nature. Soap has a basic value 12, pH value 12. So it is also a mild base. Bleach, stronger base, somewhat strong base. And then drain cleaner. So drain cleaners, what we are using, those are strongest acids. Even the sodium hydroxide. Actually, the drain cleaner consists of some amount of sodium hydroxide. And that value is 14, which is a maximum one. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so writing part, what exactly you have to write? It is much more things I have written, no need to write everything. So what you are writing is, first write down the definition of pH. Definition of pH. It is in bracket, you can write power of hydrogen. It's a power of hydrogen. When H plus ion concentration is expressed in terms of when H plus ion concentration is expressed in terms of 10 to the power minus n mole per liter. 10 to the power minus n mole per liter. The magnitude n is considered as pH. Now next slide. For example, if H plus ion concentration, here this part you can write down, 10 to the power minus 1 mole per liter. Then pH is 1. If H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 2 mole per liter, 10 to the power minus 2 moles per liter, then pH is equal to 2. Okay, and 10 to the power minus 12 mole per liter is then pH is equal to 12. Okay. In any aqueous solution, next line right now, in any aqueous solutions, H plus ion concentration ranges from 10 to the power 0 to 10 to the power minus 14 mole per liter. Then write down this. I'll make it easier somewhat. So write down first the race here. This 10 to the power minus 1. This is H plus ion concentration. So first strip is for H plus ion concentration. Write down the full all the numbers. This is H plus ion concentration. Now another one is OH minus ion concentration. This is H plus ion and this is OH minus ion. This is 10 to the power minus 14, 10 to the power minus 30, 10 to the power minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, exactly 10 to the power minus 7. This is 10 to the power minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and 0, 10 to the power 0. So these are OH minus ions. In this case, H plus ions are greater than OH minus ions. So therefore, all these solutions are acidic. So here it is equal number of H plus and OH minus ions. So therefore, this is neutral solution. And here again, H plus ion are lesser. OH minus ions are greater than H plus ions. So therefore, these are basic substances. So this is acidic. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed this part? Upper part.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't write anything below.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, acidic basic. Now this strip, the pH value. Now this is for pH. This is the pH values. The colors. Now this is red color. This is orange color. For mild acid, we will get the orange color. The shades of yellow. For neutral, it is green color. For weak base, it is blue, dark blue, or indigo we can consider. And this is violet. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
And is that clear? That is the important part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And write down the range of few pH values. Write down HCl. And HCl, if it is diluted also, the H plus ion concentration still more. So it will go to from 0 to 1 it will go, but it will not become orange color. So if the question is asked for MCQ, what is the color of pH on this one for diluted HCl, dilute HCl acid? So it will be also red only. Clear? So don't write there orange or yellow. It's not orange or yellow. It will remain red. Whether it is dilute or whether it is concentrated, it will remain same. If I have value, yes I have. Okay, HCl, write down. Consider HCl, the value is 1. pH values, you are writing pH values. HCl is 1. Gastric juices 1.0 to 1.2, 1 to 1.2. Gastric juice, that is HCl. In stomach we have HCl, right? It's 1 to 1.2. Lemon juice 2.2 to 2.4. Lemon juice or any citrus fruit juice. Lemon juice or any citrus fruit juice. 2.2 to 2.4. That means they will give you orange color. Vinegar 3 is actually 2.4 to 3.4. Then tomato juice 4.1. Tomato juice 4.1. Yes.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the value for vinegar?
Vinegar 3. Approx. Those are all approximated values. Tomato 4.1. Coffee 4.5 to 5.5. Coffee 4.5 to 5.5. Acid rain 5.6. Acid rain 5.6. Milk 6.5. Fresh milk is actually. Spoiled one will decrease lesser than 6.5, but the fresh milk is 6.5. Then water 7. Common salt solution 7. Common salt solution 7. Human saliva 6.5 to 7.5. 6.5 to 7.5. Blood 7.4. Human blood 7.4. Baking soda 8.4. Seawater 8.5. Seawater 8.5. Milk of magnesia 10.5. Bleach is 12. And NaOH, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, that is 14. Okay. So pH is equal to 7. The solution is
Neutral.
neutral. Less than 7.
Acidic.
More than 7.
Basic.
Now clear, I think so. Now here there are the practical application of pH. By knowing the pH values, many solutions, many problem solution we have found out. even this one also. There are many things, actually the reasons for many things we got to know. So that is we call as practical or in everyday life applications of knowing pH. So that we will study next class. So we'll start maths now.
I'm always supposed to memorize all these pH values.
No needed. Only somewhat range you can remember.
Okay, ma'am.
So for example, they will ask you MCQs. You should be knowing those. Exact values are not needed to remember. At least you can remember which one is a weak acid and which one is a stronger acids. That you need to know. Stronger base, which one is a stronger base, which one is a weak base, which is a mild base. At least that categorization you can do. You're not
Okay,
supposed to
ma'am.
remember the values.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then start with the maths now.